Your amazing liver is your body's superhero. It performs more than 500 critical functions to help keep you healthy. In the last video, we learned about your liver's superpower. It can regrow itself. Every time your liver is injured, it tries to repair itself. During the process, scar tissue forms. Cirrhosis is a late stage of scarring of the liver. As cirrhosis progresses, more scar tissue forms. It becomes difficult for the liver to function. These are changes in the liver as cirrhosis progresses. And this is an actual human liver affected by cirrhosis. Advanced cirrhosis is life-threatening. Many liver diseases and conditions cause cirrhosis, and some of them are preventable. We'll discuss what they are in the next video. Visit loveyourliver.us. Follow the hashtag #LoveYourLiver on social media.